Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Shivtosh, co-founder of Sugarfit. Today we are revealing a secret factor contributing to India's potential for a longer life expectancy compared to all other nations. India seems to hold a dietary secret, and it revolves around a fruit that could be a key to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and a longer, vibrant life. Let's discuss that incredible benefit of eggplant and discover how to make them a delicious and diabetes-friendly addition to your meals. Eggplants, also locally known as baingan or brinjal, are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, common in diabetes and prediabetes, and these are linked to various chronic diseases including diabetes and heart conditions. High fiber content help regulates blood sugar level by slowing sugar absorption. Polyphenols in eggplants can reduce sugar absorption and increase insulin secretion for better blood sugar control. Attention to detail in cooking is very crucial, especially in our kitchens. Choosing the right cooking oil is important. Please opt for healthier alternatives like mustard oil or ghee for a more diabetes-friendly meal. Now, eggplants, while a staple in our cuisines, can sometimes be challenging for newcomers. They contain oxalates which might lead to bloating or gas. But you don't have to worry if you include enough calcium-containing food in your diet, such as dairy products or leafy greens. It can prevent oxalates from causing any issues. So what are you waiting for? Include more eggplant in your diet. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more insightful content about diabetes. I'll see you in the next one.